There is oftentimes a lot of confusion in separating the rules set out in the Real Estate Act and the guidelines put in place by local real estate boards. The Real Estate Act is the Alberta statute regulating the real estate industry in Alberta. It is the regulatory framework and also provides that all those trading in real estate as brokerages, brokers, associate brokers, or associates must be licensed and registered with the Real Estate Council of Alberta. The Council is the governing body responsible for the regulation of the real estate industry in Alberta and is empowered to make rules prescribing and adopting standards of conduct and industry practices for all industry professionals. The legislature has determined that these are the law of Alberta. The rules detail real estate industry regulatory requirements, including license application processes and classification, license approvals, refusals, suspensions, standards of practice, broker and associate obligations, and mandatory form content. Like the Real Estate Act, the Real Estate Act rules are law in the province of Alberta, and real estate industry professionals, as well as all affected Alberta citizens, must comply with the Real Estate Act and rules. After becoming licensed and registered with a brokerage, an industry professional may decide to become a member of a local real estate board. Real estate boards are private, voluntary associations which are usually legally formed in accordance with the provisions of the Cooperatives Act or the Societies Act. Real estate professionals who become members of a local board automatically become members of the Alberta and Canadian Real Estate Associations. Boards have private membership rules, including rules applying to the operation of the specific board, multiple listing service rules, standards of business practice, and others that a person must voluntarily agree to comply with. The multiple listing service and rules originate with the Canadian Real Estate Association. All local board rules, regardless of origin, must comply with the laws in the province of Alberta, including the Real Estate Act. The understanding that the standards of practice and real estate broker obligations set out in the Real Estate Act and the Real Estate Act rules prevail over association or board rules, including multiple listing service rules, is of the utmost importance and often gets lost in the shuffle. To read more about the Act and board rules, check out the RECA Information Bulletin, Act and Board Rules, available on the RECA website at www.reca.ca.